Okay, we're back. This is Attorney Vincent Davis. I'm here with Cynthia Becker, and this is The Secret, How to Fight Child Protective Services and Win.
We're going to go ahead and take another call from Vivian in California. Hi, Vivian.
Hi.
Do you have a question to ask?
Yeah, I do. Well, I'm wondering, I have a court date coming up, and it's supposed to be a trial, but they're telling me that the trial isn't like a trial where there's going to be jurors and like a normal court. So I'm wondering, like, what is it that I should expect from a trial of this sort? Like, what happens if you win or what happens if you lose?
Well,
my main thing is I really, really want to return home to my family. Thankfully, all my kids are safe at home. They're with my husband. But I'm really trying to pretty much save my family and get home, because this is breaking up my family, and it's causing a lot of problems that we didn't have before all this.
well, Vivian, let me answer the first part of your question. In California, in juvenile dependency cases, also known as CPS cases, there are no jury trials. Every once in a while, legislation is presented to try to give the parent a right to a jury trial, but there are no jury trials as of yet. In some states, if you have a CPS case, you do have the right to have a jury trial, just not in California. I suspect that the cost of having a jury trial is a big prohibitor or hurdle for the legislature here in California. But people are losing their children, and if they if they stole something from a store or shoplifted or something or stole a car, they have a right to a jury trial. But when you're going to lose your kids, you don't have that right. And so it's up to the electorate, the people, to vote for people that are going to pass the law to have a jury trial. And with respect to what's going to happen at your trial, it's going to be the same like any other trial. The social worker and her attorney will go first and present their evidence. Generally, the child and the child's attorney will go second and present their evidence. And then you and your husband, your attorneys, will be able to present their evidence. At the end of the trial, the court will probably ask for closing arguments, and then the judge will make the decision. And if the judge rules in your favor, you get to return home. If the judge doesn't rule in your favor, you won't get to return home. Now, interestingly enough, in California, most courts do the jurisdictional and the dispositional trial together. Those are two separate trials, but you may lose the jurisdictional part of the case, but win the dispositional part. And if that happens, you're able to go back home. So that's basically what happens at a trial in these juvenile dependency matters. Hey, Vivian, I want to thank you for calling and thank you for listening. Call back in a couple of weeks and tell us what happened at your trial. All right, let's take another.